They say Kerala is a God's own country. Beef fry in Kerala is the best. Banana chips in Kerala are tasty, and last but not least, people in Kerala are good and friendly. I wanted to find out, so I decided to go to Kerala. I paid rupees 1600 for a 1 hour ride to a train station. I paid rupees 480 for a 20-hour train ride to Alleppey in Kerala. Now I have reached Alleppey. So this is my first impression of Kerala, and I can feel the heat. The heat, I think it's similar to Goa or maybe a little bit lesser than Goa. A person from our homestay just called me and told me that you should get an auto from the government service auto. So they would charge around 100 rupees. Let's see. I'm not sure this is the government service one or not. Railway station Alappuzha. Prepaid auto. So let's see. Auto. Okay, I have to book from here.
Yes.
Okay. I have no idea. Okay, let me just open and see the address first. Punamada Fishing Point Road.
Fishing point.
Ah.
2 rupees.
2 rupees. 100. 2 rupees.
कितने आदमी?
Lupa ni piro.
कितने आदमी?
2. Tara 2 wallet. Lupa ni piro ba? I have no idea.
ला
I have no idea.
2 rupees. I will pay.
Thank you, brother. Thank you very much.
My name is Maurice.
Maurice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are from Kerala or
Yeah, I'm
coming
from
here?
Kerala.
Okay. Thank you. Nice to meet you. So, I have no idea what just happened. They asked for 2 rupees and then I don't have any 2 rupees. This one. Let's see. What's happening, man? I don't know. Namaskar. Namaskaram. Chalo, ठीक है.
Namaskaram. Let's go to Alleppey.
Yeah. And yeah, we are inside the auto.
Alleppey houseboat booking हो गया?
Yeah. So what is the charge?
Booking हो गया?
Booking हो गया. This is
नहीं है, houseboat booking हो गया?
no. I homestay.
Homestay.
Yeah.
Houseboat homestay आ गया?
Huh?
Wait करो, अभी wait.
Okay. I will give you the address.
Yeah.
Punamanda.
This way, on this space, Alleppey को full space है.
But we already have one.
Eh?
We already booked one.
You already booking?
Yeah,
we already
Punamada finishing point.
Wait.
Hell's homestay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Stay on the way.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
Or we sightseeing, okay?
Okay.
On first sightseeing on Alleppey, Kainagiri village.
Okay.
This way the Kainagiri village.
Okay.
This is the Punnamada village.
Okay.
Punnamada. Finishing point of the village.
Okay.
The way sightseeing.
Kidangam
Ah,
Rambu temple. Okay. That is a colorful temple. I have seen in the movie. I
This
don't know,
temple.
I'm sure.
Or wait. Or full space. Lighthouse. Alleppey beach. Or museum.
Okay.
Or Jain temple.
Okay.
Or Mullakkal temple.
Okay.
Or Lion church. പിന്നെ ഷിക്കാര മോട്ടോർ ബോട്ട് और हाउस बोट
तो शिकारा और हाउस बोट क्या डिफरेंस है?
शिकारा और स्टे और नो और
Houseboat we can
हाउस
stay.
बोट സ്റ്റേ ഓൺ ഫുഡ് ഓൺ സ്റ്റേ
Okay, food
or
will be provided.
പക്ഷേ ഷിക്കാര എന്ന വില്ലേജ് സ്റ്റേ ഓൺ ദ സൂപ്പർ ഏരിയ
Okay.
വില്ലേജ്
Okay.
और हाउस बोट ना विलेज नहीं है
Okay.
और स्ट्रेट फुल्ला लेक लेवे और kayaking ना 2 members तो kayaking और super program अब यू मसाज और अभी नो പിന്നെ തുമ്പോളി ടെമ്പിൾ തുമ്പോളി ചർച്ച് പിന്നെ അതുപോലെ തന്നെ കയർ മ്യൂസിയം എലിഫന്റ് റൈഡ് മാരാരി ബീച്ച് പ്രൈവറ്റ് ബീച്ച് और കുമരകം ബേഡ്സ് പാർക്ക്, പിന്നെ അമ്പലപ്പുഴ ടെമ്പിൾ, കരുമാടി ടെമ്പിൾ, പിന്നെ മുല്ലക്കൽ ടെമ്പിൾ, പിന്നെ ഹൗസ് ബോട്ട്. ഇതെല്ലാം ഫുള്ളായിരിക്കും. ഫുൾ പ്രോഗ്രാം ഈസ് tomorrow 9 o'clock starting.
Okay.
Or ഒരു 6 o'clock full checkout.
Okay.
अभी और program is हो गया. अभी to coming the rickshaw.
Okay.
On the space full.
Okay, so what is the charge?
2,000 rupees.
2,000 rupees for all the tour.
Only for taxi or all the activities? For all the activities.
Only taxi.
Only for taxi 2,000 rupees.
2,000.
So yeah, the touring sites that he just explained, he can take us all over there for just 2,000 rupees in a day. So yeah, I don't know any Malayalam, but one good thing is that they know English, and then they know some Hindi. So I don't think that I will have any language issue over here. But let's see, let's find out. And as you can see, the roads. It's a small town. It's a village.
ആയോരു പാലത്തിൻ്റെ തുണയിൽ നിന്നും പൊന്നോ എന്നൊരു വിളിയും കേട്ടേ, പൊന്നോ എന്നൊരു വിളിയും കേട്ടേ. ആരാണപ്പാ ഒരു വിളി കേട്ടത്? എൻ്റെ അമ്മ വിളിക്കണൊരൊച്ച പോലെ, എൻ്റെ അമ്മ മണ്ണോടു മണ്ണായെന്ന് അപ്പൻ തന്നല്ലേ പറയാറുള്ളൂ. ഓടി തെറ്റി വീണു നടക്കണ കാലം, വറുതീറ്റി തമ്പ്രാൻ്റോരുണ്ടാവേരേ, നീടമ്മേനെ കരുവാരത്താ, നീടമ്മേനെ കരുവാരത്താ. പെണ്ണിൻ്റെ ചോര വീണാരാത്രേ, പാലത്തിൻ തൂണൂറയ്ക്കുള്ളൂന്ന്. പെണ്ണിൻ്റെ ചോര വീണാരാത്രേ, പാലത്തിൻ തൂണൂറയ്ക്കുള്ളൂന്ന്. തമ്പ്രാൻ്റെ വാക്കിന് മറുവാക്കുണ്ടോ? എൻ്റെ കീഴാത്തിയേ കരുവാരത്തി, എൻ്റെ കീഴാത്തിയേ കരുവാരത്തി. പാലോം പാലോം നല്ല നടപ്പാലോ, അപ്പൻ്റെ കയ്യും പിടിച്ച് നടക്കണ നേരം ആയോരു പാലത്തിൻ്റെ.
That was a beautiful and a melodious Malayalam song. The thing is that I don't know what is the meaning of the song, but I can feel it. Yeah, the song was beautiful, and I think that is the welcome song to LMP. First impression is good. Let's see, let's find out how it looks like to be in the homestay. I will give you a proper tour of the homestay. Let's see. But already the LMP vibe, I would say, it's kicking in, and I can feel the difference being in Goa. Let's see how the journey looks like. So guys, why don't you subscribe? Just click the subscribe button and then like the video. Let YouTube know that you like the video and you are enjoying the video. Shikara board and Shikara. Yeah, Shikara. So these are the Shikara board. So Shikara or motorboat. Motorboat. Shikara and motorboat. The people are very welcoming over here. They say like hi, and even this ticket was this was reserved by a person. The person who is in the counter, he just asked for 2 rupees, and I was surprised. Like how I thought 200, but it was only 2 rupees, and I didn't have any 2 rupees because I'm poor. So I asked my brother to give me 2 rupees, and he said I don't have 2 rupees, I have 100 because he is rich. And that person he booked it for me. He paid. and thank you if you see the video or not, but thank you. Yeah, already in Alleppey. And yeah, we have reached the Hell's Homestay. This is the one. Okay, it's the poster written over here. So yeah, we have reached. We got some shops over here as well, so that we can buy some foods and all. This is good. कितना हुआ? 150. 100 नहीं होगा? Why not 100? I will give you 100.
150.
100.
Okay.
100.
Oh no.
Uncle is gonna take 100.
Number दे दो अभी.
Number.
Number 50 rupees.
50 rupees.
Pure.
So we have the number.
So he is gonna take 150.
So
He said that he.
Chain. Do you have a chain?
Change.
Google.
Google Pay. Google Pay. I will do the Google Pay. Okay.
ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ഞാൻ നിന്നെ അങ്ങോട്ട് വിളിക്കാം നീ പൈസ തന്നു
50 rupees only Google Pay.
ആ ഗൂഗിൾ പേ
ठीक है. So let's do the payment. 50 rupees.
और साइट सीन और
We will take your number.
830
Wait. Let me do the payment.
Yeah.
50 rupees done. Okay.
okay
And
830
830
19 490 13
13.
yeah
आपका नाम what
Anish.
is Anish भैया. Anish. Alleppey.
Anish Alleppey auto और नंबर और कमिंग द फे
Yeah. Thank you.
Happy journey.
Yeah. Nice song.
Nice song.
So yeah, let's do the check-in. I don't know from where we are gonna go. Hi. How are you? Okay. So Hell's Homestay. Before we enter, they say leave your footwear here. So we're gonna keep our shoes and sandals over here, and this is the room. We have a LG television. I don't know if we will be able to watch it or not, but yeah, I will. Let me turn on the fan after a while, and we have this curtain over here. And we can block the view, or we can have a view. And here you can see the colorful bed over here with the Medimax body soap, yeah, and a green towel. It's all colorful over here. Let me see if the pillow is soft or not. It's super soft. Yeah, I think I will like it. And a colorful curtains over here. They have AC. I will turn it on after a while. And as you can see, I can keep my wallet, phone, some stuff over here. I wish I could keep some bundle of money over there, but I don't have. And here you can see they have provided us a Grand Belly water bottle over here and a remote to operate the AC. Okay, here is a very nice wall painting, and here you go. These are our bags we just kept in. Let's open the cupboard and see if we find anything. Yes, we found a blanket, but it's hot over here. I won't use the blanket. We got some hanger where we can hang our clothes, and we have a mirror where we can watch ourselves and look ourselves. And this is so good. And yeah, the dustbin, obviously we should have a dustbin. I think I'm gonna sit over here and then I'm gonna walk, and I will work and I will edit some videos so that you guys can watch on YouTube. Yeah, pretty good. Let's go to the washroom and see how the washroom looks like. Where is the light? This is the washroom, and where can I turn on the light of this washroom? I have no idea. Where is the switch for the washroom? I think it should be operated from here. Let's see. No. Okay, this is the washroom switch. Let's go inside the washroom. Yeah, this is the washroom. They have given us, this is an O'Donnell room freshener or washroom freshener. This is also, and I'm not sure what is inside this green lovely bottle. This is the toilet. This is the wash basin, and here you can get another mirror where you can look. I think my hair is fine, but I need to take bath. They provide hot water as well. As you can see, I can keep my soap over here. Let's see if the water comes out. Yes, it's coming in. Wait, how can I turn on the water? I don't know, I'm not sure. What is this? Oh, this thing came out. So I'm not sure how should I turn on the tap. Maybe. Okay. Oh, let me figure out later onwards. And here I can hang my clothes over here. You can have we have a bulb over here. And yeah, oh, this is so cute. A cute dustbin. So cute. Okay, that was the first impression of this room. Let's find out how is it look like to stay over here. And yeah, we're gonna take some rest, and we will obviously we will take a bath, and then we are gonna take rest for a while. We'll eat some food. You can see some people are also coming in and see. AC on नहीं क्या? Okay. ठीक है. और किचन कहाँ पे है? Where is the kitchen?
किचन नीचे
नीचे जा सकता है मैं? थोड़ी देर बाद आ जाऊँगा.
ओके
So I will show you the kitchen in the next video, and I'm gonna end the video right here.